Guys, I am starting off with freshly washed hair that was washed last night and let dry overnight. I do have leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm going to be trying DevaCurl products today on my twist out to see if it can define and control this type 4 hair. All right, so I'm going in just sectioning my hair, starting first with the Supercream. This cream says that it defines and controls, providing silky moisture, something I so need because last night I tried Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner, the pomegranate and honey line for the first time. And I'm so surprised that on today my hair is so dry and not manageable. I mean, and I used a good amount on each section of my hair and it just does not give me the moisture I need. So it's a good thing I'm going in with these products today because this super cream is super moisturizing. It's melting into my hair immediately. Same with this pomade. Now I'm using this pomade today because I don't have any confidence that this super cream will give me the hold that I need. I do not think that it will last with the super cream alone. So I'm pairing these products. Now, this pomade is called the Beautiful Mess, and the way it is described on the back on how to apply it, it leads me to believe that it's for type 3 girls. It says, start by rubbing a pea-sized amount between your hands or fingertips and then play. Okay, play? We don't play us type 4 girls. We are serious when we do our hair. It says, apply at the roots for volume. And then make your way from the mid-length of your hair to the ends to create a tousled look. Another word we don't use when we are describing how we style our hair. So it says, lastly, shake at the root with your hands and rough it up until you get the desired effect. Again, rough it up. We don't use any of those words when we're styling our hair. But hey, I'm gonna try it. It is moisturizing just like the super cream, so you know, it can't be too bad, right? So yeah, I'm going to go in this next section with this super cream, just applying it because my hair is parched. Although I use that fancy leave-in conditioner, I've used cheaper leave-in conditioners that gave me better moisture than this, but that's for another video. Let's focus on DevaCurl and what it's doing for me. So yeah, you see it's giving me some curls, it's giving me some shine, and my hair is dry. And I'm using this pomade. I really want to focus it on my ends and just work the remainder up, not so much. I'm not using a lot of it because it is a pomade and it's not a gel. I think there's a difference, right? Is there a difference? I don't know. So I'm being careful. I'm only gonna use a little bit just to give me that little extra hold that I need with this cream. So whenever I twist or do braid outs, twist outs, I always bantu knot the ends. And I'm realizing as I work through my hair that my bantu knot is not working. And it's not working because my hair is dry. So I'm gonna add some of my vinaigrette and aloe vera juice to the ends just to wet it up real good to get my bantu knot to form the way I need it to. And I'm just gonna redo this other one too because it was looking kind of janky on my first try. So I'm just gonna work this throughout my hair. So I know I said it was wash and go season, but I've really been loving twist outs lately. And I have been experimenting with different gels to see what has the best effect on my hair. Now I reviewed that Matrix Biolage gel and it is bomb in terms of definition and hold. Like it defines my hair, it holds it. I can get like 5-6 days with that gel. But the only thing I don't like about that gel is it makes my hair look thin. Like my hair is very thin, or you know, not as dense as most people's hair, but using that gel is so defining that it makes my hair look thinner than it actually is, and I don't like that. Like I like the curls, but I don't like my hair looking thin. So I'm just experimenting with creams and butters now on my twist outs. So here we go, we're still twisting. I'm doing a combination of flat twist and regular twist, just experimenting on what's the best combination or what's the best pattern that gives me that look that I like. You know, I like a full look because once again, my hair is not that thick. So I try to do a little bit of magic and voodoo in my styling to make it look thicker than it actually is. So yeah, you can see this stuff has my hair shiny. It has my twist juicy. I'm excited about what it's going to look like. I'm excited about what my results are going to be. All right, so this is my hair all twisted, juicy, shiny, looking good. This is the next day. This is the takedown. Of course, it's dry and it is so soft. I mean, my hair is so soft. It's so juicy. Look at that definition. That's the best definition. And it's not all clumped and weighed down. It's light, it's airy. It's just, I'm loving it. It's super moist, it's super defined. But as I take this down, I know that I'll be lucky to get 2 days out of this lusciousness. I'll be lucky to get 2 days. But in the moment, I'm just enjoying it. So I'm just shaping my hair because y'all know I'm not a fluff type girl. I don't pick my hair. I just pin it to shape it around my face. And I do separate. I do a little separation because I want to get my hair to last as long as possible. Now look at this crap at the back. This is a lesson learned. Now I'm trying to hide it. But here it is, all of my sins exposed. I did that twist too big. I know next time not to do that. But yeah, these are my final results. And unfortunately, it only lasts a day. I worked out, I sweated it out, and it became a mess. So, but I love the products. Thank y'all for watching. Don't be afraid of these products. I will see you next time. Bye.